from the Congo. 85% of coltan comes from the Congo. Without the Congo, you won't have any iPhone, any iPad, any Samsung. So I want you to know, all of you have mobile phone today, that your phone is feeling low in the Congo.
We are here today to ask for the liberation of human rights activists from the Filimbi movement, from La Lucha movement, and Congolese activists across the nation that have been arrested by the power of Joseph Kabila.
Free Filimbi!
Free him now!
Free Lucha!
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 Free him now!
Free Filimbi!
Free him now!
Free Filimbi!
Free him now!
Free Filimbi!
Free him now!
Oh yeah, free them all. Free those innocent. They stood up against injustice. This is the right thing for the youth of any place to do, to stand up against injustice. And our people, our young people stood up against injustice, to organize against oppression. And this regime, this killing machine has held them captive for the past 2 weeks. So we said to you, free them now. Free our young people. They have right to life. They have the right to live and stand up against oppression. And this is a message to the British public. Your government sponsors terror. If you're looking for the terrorists, you should go to number 10 Downing Street, because every day they're giving out weapons to the murderers to kill people. Every day in Syria, every day in Iraq, every day in Afghanistan, every day in the Congo, they are training mercenaries. They are training blood murderers, killer, to kill us like flies, so you can reap the benefit of mobile phone. The real cost of your iPhone is the blood they rape in the Congo. The real cost of your mobile phone, your iPad, is a genocide. It's a genocide going right in front of your eyes. The real cost of mobile phone,
Genocide in Congo!
the real cost of plasma,
Genocide in Congo!
the real cost of iPhone,
Genocide in Congo!
the real cost of iPhone,
Genocide in Congo!
the real cost of mobile phone,
Genocide in Congo!
the real cost of mobile phone,
Genocide in Congo!
the real cost of mobile phone,
Genocide in Congo!
the real cost of mobile phone,
Genocide in Congo!
the real cost of mobile phone.
Genocide in Congo!
That's right, the real cost of your iPhone, your iPad, your plasma, your whole electronic, all the latest electronic device that you have at home is a price of blood. It's a bloody price.